Sige, ano gagawin mo? Marunong ba?
Yan o.
Sige, sige.
Ay, mamaya lang, medyo nananervyos ako. Magbo-vocal lang ako saglit.
Sige.
Mi, 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 mi. Mi, mi, mi.
Cut. Ay, mawalang galang na? Sino ka po?
Mami ko.
Nanay mo siya? Nanay mo siya?
Mami ko po.
Pwede bang tumahimik ka? Walang galang na? Sige, proceed.
Mi, mi, mi. Mi, 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 mi.
Cut. Nanay! Ikaw na lang kaya, ikaw na lang.
Direk, hindi ako prepare.
Hindi ka prepared?
Yes. But I have CD.
May CD?
Ano, magtataray si nanay.
Sige, ikaw na lang kayo. Gusto mo ikaw? Nanay?
Yes.
Sige, try mo.
Paano ako?
Pakinggan na lang muna natin siya.
Mother, akin na muna yung mga gamit mo. Oh, may dalang sapatos.
Hindi prepared. Oo, hindi prepared.
Naka-duster si mother.
Nakaduster, pangit naman.
Hindi
Ay!
Hindi ka prepare.
Jack, tingnan mo naman.
Prepared si mother. Yung pong ating CD, makikibigay po sa musical director.
Number 2, please.
Prepared na prepared si mother direct.
Sige.
Hello, Direk.
Hello.
Hello. Dala ko yun. Wala ko. I love you all. It's so hard to believe I'm okay. After all, it's been a while since you walked away. Way past crying over you finding someone else. You turned my days into nights, but now I see the light, and this may be a big surprise to you. 'Cause you made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and made a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go of my life. Yes, you made me stronger, baby, by saying goodbye. If you'd rather believe I'm not over you, go ahead. Just nothing wrong that make you believe. I know, but I used to pretend you'd come back to me. But time has been such a friend, brought me to my senses again, and I have you to thank for setting me free. 'Cause you made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and made a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go of my life. Yes, you made me
Nasaan ang asawa mo, mami?
Ay, actually, biyuda na po ako.
Kaya pala ang sexy ng boses mo.
Nai-inlove naman si Direk.
Can I get your number?
Yes, you can.
Wait! Here's my number!
Wait.